Making a pothole larger before repairing usually gives a stronger, longer-lasting fix because it forces you to remove all loose material and create solid edges to bond the new patch. When you encounter a small or ragged pothole, start by cleaning the area of debris and water with a stiff broom and, if possible, compressed air to expose the true extent of deterioration. Use a cold chisel, masonry hammer, or a small concrete saw to square the edges so the patch has vertical faces to adhere to rather than feathered, crumbly edges that can fail quickly. Cut or chip back any underlying weak material until you reach sound substrate and compact that base with a hand tamper or plate compactor if available, because a stable base is what transfers load away from the patch. Apply a tack coat or adhesive for asphalt repairs when recommended by the product, and place the new material in layers no thicker than 2 inches, compacting each lift thoroughly with a plate compactor or heavy hand tamper to eliminate voids. Feathering the new surface into the surrounding pavement should be avoided for structural edges. Instead, aim for a flush finish that matches surrounding grade so water does not pond at the repair. Err on the side of over-preparation as Jen suggested, because spending extra time enlarging and preparing the hole saves labor and materials over the life of the repair. The 3 most common mistakes are leaving soft or undermined edges, which causes the patch to rip out again, under compacting the repair, which lets water and traffic break it down, and failing to address the base so the patch sits on weak material and sinks. If edges are soft, enlarge and square them back until they are firm before applying material. For compaction, always use appropriate equipment and compact in thin layers. And if a compactor is not available, rent one for a day rather than skimping. For base issues, remove weak fill and replace with well-graded aggregate, compacted in lifts, so the patch rests on a stable foundation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare approaches to pothole and pavement repairs. We also help contractors find work and share best practices through our discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange real-world tips and photos.